Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Kuki Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Today's video is about the collection of tiny spaces, big style featuring upcycled wood furniture project ideas. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. In recent years, the convergence of environmental awareness, urban living, and interior design innovation has given rise to a fascinating movement: tiny spaces, big style featuring upcycled wood furniture projects. This trend not only caters to the growing demand for sustainability and minimalism, but also embraces creativity and resourcefulness in making the most out of small living areas. As people increasingly reside in compact apartments, tiny houses, and efficient urban dwellings, the challenge of maximizing space without sacrificing aesthetics has become more significant than ever. Enter upcycled wood furniture, a marriage of eco-consciousness and ingenuity that transforms discarded wood into beautiful, functional pieces. One of the foremost advantages of upcycled wood furniture in tiny spaces is its sustainable nature. Rather than contributing to the demand for new materials and the consequential environmental degradation that often accompanies timber harvesting, upcycling wood makes use of existing resources. Another compelling advantage is the high level of customization and personalization that upcycled wood furniture offers. Tiny spaces demand thoughtful design. Standard furniture often doesn't fit or function well in such environments. With upcycled wood, DIY enthusiasts, artisans, and homeowners can craft bespoke pieces tailored to their specific spatial requirements and stylistic preferences. Whether it's a foldable dining table that tucks neatly into a wall nook, a loft bed with integrated storage, or a modular shelving system that doubles as a room divider, upcycled wood can be shaped, sanded, painted, and assembled to meet a wide variety of needs. The adaptability of wood also allows for mixed media combinations, blending metal, glass, or textiles to create multifunctional pieces that serve more than one purpose. This is especially important in tiny homes, where one piece of furniture might need to act as a desk by day and a dining surface by night. The aesthetic appeal of upcycled wood is another considerable advantage. It brings a sense of warmth, texture, and organic charm into compact interiors that might otherwise feel sterile or crowded. The natural grain, knots, and wear patterns of reclaimed wood imbue spaces with authenticity and a rustic or industrial flair, depending on how they are finished. Because no two pieces of reclaimed wood are alike, the furniture made from them is inherently one of a kind, making the interior not just practical, but also deeply personal and expressive. This individual character helps tiny spaces avoid a generic, mass-produced look and instead feel curated and thoughtful, reflecting the identity and values of their inhabitants. Economic efficiency is yet another significant benefit. Furnishing a space, even a small one, can be surprisingly expensive, especially when trying to invest in quality, durable pieces. Upcycled wood projects offer an affordable alternative that doesn't compromise on strength or beauty. Many upcycling enthusiasts source their materials for free or at a low cost from local construction sites, salvage yards, or even roadside pickups. With basic tools and some creativity, these materials can be transformed into sturdy, attractive furniture pieces for a fraction of the cost of new items. In doing so, homeowners not only save money, but also gain the satisfaction of creating something meaningful with their own hands or supporting local artisans who share their sustainable values. The process of making upcycled furniture can itself be a rewarding and empowering experience. It invites individuals to engage with their living environment in a tactile, intentional way, encouraging a deeper connection to the objects that fill their home. This contrasts with the often impersonal experience of shopping for mass-manufactured items, which can feel disconnected and ephemeral. Furthermore, upcycled wood furniture contributes to the reduction of consumer culture and fast furniture trends, which have increasingly mirrored the damaging habits of fast fashion. By choosing to upcycle and invest in long-lasting, adaptable furniture, individuals opt out of the cycle of constant consumption and disposal. They become part of a movement that values craftsmanship, resilience, and environmental stewardship, ideals that are increasingly vital in the face of global ecological challenges. From a spatial perspective, upcycled wood furniture is especially advantageous in maximizing limited square footage. Smart design and efficient use of space are essential in tiny living, and upcycled projects lend themselves well to built-in solutions and multifunctional designs. Wall-mounted desks that fold away, bed frames with hidden drawers, vertical storage ladders, and convertible seating all can be crafted from salvaged wood with a bit of planning and innovation. These pieces often outperform standard furniture in terms of functionality, as they are purpose-built for the specific challenges of small spaces. Additionally, because they are made to fit the dimensions of the room exactly, they eliminate the wasted gaps and awkward proportions that often result from trying to shoehorn conventional furniture into unconventional spaces. With clever design, even the most cramped living quarters can feel open, airy, and welcoming. Upcycled wood is also incredibly durable when treated and finished properly. Older wood tends to be denser and stronger than many modern alternatives, having been sourced from mature trees and having had time to season naturally. This makes it particularly well suited for heavy-use items like dining tables, bed frames, or bookshelves. With proper care, upcycled furniture can last for generations, proving that sustainable choices don't mean sacrificing longevity or quality. For those living in tiny spaces, this community can also offer support and ideas for overcoming common challenges like limited storage, multifunctional layouts, or aesthetic cohesion in compact environments. The rise of maker culture and interest in slow living further amplify the advantages of engaging with upcycled wood projects, especially for people interested in crafting homes that are as meaningful as they are functional. Moreover, tiny spaces furnished with upcycled wood tend to exude a sense of tranquility and harmony that aligns with principles of biophilic design. This design philosophy emphasizes a connection to nature and natural elements within interior spaces, something that reclaimed wood delivers effortlessly. The visual and tactile qualities of wood bring warmth, softness, and grounding energy to an environment, which can significantly enhance well-being in small, potentially confined living areas. Natural materials like wood can reduce stress, improve air quality, especially when untreated or finished with non-toxic oils, and create a more inviting atmosphere. When sourced and crafted responsibly, wood becomes more than just a material, it becomes a medium through which comfort, sustainability, and beauty can coexist. These aesthetic and psychological benefits are particularly important in tiny homes, where every surface and texture makes a perceptible impact on the experience of the space. The advantages of embracing tiny spaces, big style, through upcycled wood furniture projects are manifold. From sustainability and economic efficiency to aesthetics, functionality, and emotional resonance, this approach offers a holistic solution to the challenges of compact living. It empowers individuals to live more intentionally, consume more responsibly, and create environments that reflect their personal values and stories. In an age where climate change, urbanization, and consumer fatigue are pressing realities, turning to upcycled wood furniture is not just a practical decision, it's a meaningful one. As we continue to seek ways to harmonize our homes with the planet and our principles, the combination of tiny space living with upcycled wood style stands out as a powerful and inspiring way forward. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.